The insurance industry had to pay out more than $1.5 billion due to auto theft last year, and it's driving up costs for everyone.
Depending on the kind of vehicle you drive, you could see your insurance premiums more than double unless you install an anti-theft device. Here's Pat Foran and Consumer Alert. Pat.
Nathan and Michelle, before you buy any car, you should always check with your insurance company to see how much it will cost to insure it. Vehicles at risk of being stolen are now seeing huge hikes in premiums or additional surcharges.
I find it unfair. I find it excessive.
Cliff Whiting of Ancaster has a 2020 Toyota Highlander. He was shocked when his insurance company, CAA, told him he must install an anti-theft device, and if he doesn't, he'll have to pay a high theft risk surcharge of $1,500 a year. Whiting says he's never made a claim, and the surcharge would more than double his premiums.
I just have a hard time with a 144% increase when nothing's happened.
CAA told CTV News its customers can reduce or eliminate the surcharge by implementing additional layers of protection, such as the professional installation of an aftermarket immobilizer or installing and using a steering wheel lock like the Club. Many insurance companies are adding surcharges to vehicles at higher risk of being stolen.
They're introducing them on vehicles that are newer, 2019 to 2024. So if your consumer, for example, had bought a 2017 Highlander, they very likely wouldn't have been subject to that additional $1,500 surcharge.
Rates.ca says one way to save money on insurance is to drive an older vehicle. The Dodge Ram is also considered a target for thieves. The 2024 Dodge Ram is 61% more expensive to insure than the 2018 model. You can also save money on insurance by choosing a vehicle that's not considered at high risk for theft. The 2024 Volkswagen Jetta is only 6% more expensive to insure than the 2018 model. You should check a vehicle's insurance rates before you buy, and if you're facing increases, you can shop around.
There are a lot of insurance companies that aren't surcharging these models or levying these surcharges that might require you to get an immobilizer or whatever the case may be.
In Whiting's case, he's able to reduce the surcharge by $500 by using a steering wheel lock, but he hasn't decided if he will spend up to $1,500 more on an anti-theft system to try and avoid the surcharge completely. And auto theft has dropped slightly in the Toronto area this year due to an increase in policing efforts. CAA also says manufacturers need to do more to make their vehicles harder to steal. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.